How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook app. Then tap the three lines option from the top right, tap on the gear icon there, then simply go to Account Center, then go to Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account here and then just select the option called Delete Account. Then tap on the Delete Account option if you want to delete or deactivate it. So if you want to deactivate, leave it at deactivate, tap on continue and enter your password, and then your Facebook account will get deactivated. This way you'll be able to deactivate Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.